Another day at the GW. I wonder if that's any good.
Oh, yeah, only because that bulb, I don't know if it doesn't work. I can bring back right if this thing doesn't work.
Yes. Can I see the jar of jewelry? I don't know how much it is.
$24.99.
What color?
It's red.
Yeah, I don't know. Is this all the stuff after they've gone through?
To be honest,
You don't know.
You know Sarah that does the jewelry? We
Yeah.
can ask her. I just know that
Right.
she just, whatever comes in, she just, I don't even think she looks, I think she just stuffs it all in there.
Yeah.
Sometimes they come in pre-filled.
Oh, gotcha. From another.
Yeah. Because some of the other locations don't do as well with them. There's a lady who does some artwork that she uses.
Right.
So she buys them up usually
Perfect.
as soon as they come in.
All right. That down there, that's a Harley. What is it? Harley Davidson watch. Interesting. Okay, thank you. Oh, there's more pens. I don't know if I've seen them all. All right. Oh, that's nice. You guys have these out.
Exactly.
Awesome.
I was like, it's about time.
Yeah. All right. Let's see. What is the color? It's
Yellow.
yellow. See, is anything else out? Where are those little bowls? Opal house, so cute. Now, if you ask me, these look like Pioneer Woman with glasses. Let's see. Like a few of them. 2, 4, 5. There's the top shelf. Nothing really jumping out at me. What plates those were. They're just plastic. Different, not the same chickens. Threshold. I thought they had different ones, I guess not. Seeing all that out. Looks like restaurant wear. It is. more Pioneer woman. Not the one with the D. That one's pretty, all right. Well, let's see, whose are these? I don't know, there is a set of 4. They're not plastic. They're Fritz and Floyd. These are Fritz and Floyd. Let me have a quick look them up.